Maybe if you started engaging the bigger portion of the community, you'd get better results.
And you believe that the people in the area have more reach, more pull, more say than the Don?
They could if they felt empowered enough.
Look, Celine, with all due respect to your degree in whatever it is, this is not a UE assignment or your final thesis. Real life is absolutely different.
And with all due respect to you, sir, that statement is what people are afraid of change.
You should be out in the field. You would be singing a different song.
That sounds like an offer.
No. The streets would eat you alive. You are safe right here behind your desk as Marcus' assistant.
Well, maybe this isn't where I want to be.
Oh. So you really think you could survive in a development world?
Definitely. Like I told you, it has always been my passion.
Interesting. Well, maybe we should talk. I never expect to see you here today. Well, you know me, Mr. Pop in and pop out.
Well, you better start use the phone going forward. Remember, this is a professional environment and you have to make an appointment. This coming on. You tell me what's on the agenda for today, please.
Well?
Meeting with the ministry to get a report on the recent independence celebration, 10 a.m. Addressing the delegates that came in yesterday at 2 p.m. And you asked me to schedule a meeting with a Mr. Mullins for some agency issue.
That is it?
And your regular evening routine, gym, home, bed.
Okay, thank you.
Murder dog. I don't misbehave, you know. Can't get charged for that, is it?
But hold on. Like, nobody see the man do the crime?
Not really, you know. But a surveillance camera pick him up when he was put on the mask and take out the ratchet, you see it?
But that's not concrete evidence. Half of them don't see the man do no crime.
Yeah, I understand that still, no, bro, but what she has said, it's a surveillance footage of getting a right police and problem.
All the bubbles attack. Them not have nothing upon the man. Because them not actually see the man do no crime.
Yeah, but here when I say madam, she don't want it reaches us for have some police come take him up, you see me? That I can mash up the business. Whole heap of setback, bro.
Carlton, as you can see and heard, I have a full day ahead of me. What is this visit about?
You know, I was brought in for questioning about the shooting of King, right?
What? How that happen?
Well, the company vehicle was stolen and used in a drive-by.
That's strange. So you get back the vehicle?
Yeah, without a scratch.
So who would I want thief the vehicle and try to frame me at the same time?
That's what I would like to know.
And you come to me to find that out. So you think me have something to do with it?
I never said that.
You never have to say it. What other reason you have for come here? Other than for come engage in some frivolous conversation with my secretary.
Alright, let me tell you the real reason why I'm here. Mr. Mullings put out a restraining order on me, so I can't go within 100 yards of the site. So, why you deal with it for me?
Mullins? So how Mullins involved in all this?
I don't know, but I him come interrogate me when them bring me in. And oh, just so you know, you're a suspect as well.
Yeah, joke, right?
As a matter of fact, we're the only two suspects, my dear brother. So, we'll be sharing a jail cell soon.
I've been sharing a jail cell with you from where I look up Pitney. You don't take nothing serious, don't it?
Well, I've been to jail before, thanks to you. So, I know how to handle myself in jail. But you would be a newbie. Don't drop the soap.